Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the ELGATO Camera Link 4K and I'm going to tell you how you can easily make a snapshot in your application. So here is our application, which is called ELGATO Camera Hub, and now as you can see, we can see our preview, and below that preview we have the camera button. We have to click on it to make a snapshot, and now to check the location of this snapshot we have to click on this file folder here. Here now we have our Camera Hub folder opened, and this is our snapshot. Let me just open the file, and as you can see, this is it. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.